Hello, hello, hello. I got some questions about 8.4. So first, I'm going to look, this is multiplying. So I'm first going to factor, so two numbers that multiply to get negative 24, add to get positive 2, and I would get x plus 6, x minus 4. If I look at the bottom to factor that, two numbers that multiply to get 32, add together to get 4, x plus 8, x minus 4. Sorry if you can hear my pen. I got a new one. It's supposed to be nicer. On top, what do they have in common I can take out? I can take out a 2, leaving me with an x plus 4. And on bottom, can't do anything with that, so the x plus 9. Now, with multiplication and multiplication only, this is like one large division bar. So anything on top and bottom that it looks the exact same, I can factor. Sorry, I meant I can cancel. So only thing that I have in common here is this x minus 4, x minus 4. There's nothing else that I have in common. So my final answer, the 2 is still on top right here. And I have x plus 6. And I have x plus 4. On bottom, I have an x plus 8. And I have an x plus 9. So that would be my final answer for this one. Tra. And the next one I got was a division because someone was working ahead, which is great. So when it's division, your first fraction does not change. So here's my division. I'm going to change this to multiplication. And dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal. Reciprocal means flip-flop. So this becomes 5, x to negative 6, 12, y to negative 3. Now, I'm going to actually simplify that again. So this first fraction, because there's no negative exponents, it does not change. Now, it's still multiplying because I already flipped it. This 5 here does not have a negative exponent. That stays up top. Same thing with this 12 here. No negative exponent. That stays on bottom. However, because this x and this x only is negative, I can move that x on bottom. So that's x to the 6. Remember, when it moves from top to bottom, it becomes positive, or bottom to top, it becomes positive. Now, because of the fact that it's multiplying, this is one big fraction bar. So I can multiply these together. I get 15, and then I have x cubed, y cubed, and I can multiply these together, and I would get 60, x to the 6th, y squared. Now I have to simplify these. So I have to simplify this as a fraction, 15 over 60. That simplifies to be, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 15s in 60, so 1/4. I can now simplify my x's. There are more x's on bottom, so my x will be on bottom. Remember, you subtract your exponent, so 6 minus 3 is 3. And my y's, there are more y's on top, and then I do 3 minus 2, I get 1. So that's my final answer. Bing, bada, boom.